Hello everyone, this is a grade 5 math subject and today we have a new clip and a new lesson. Our lesson is lesson 2-4 about adding decimals. Let's get started. The objective of this lesson is to add decimals using the standard algorithm. Okay, let us solve this word problem. A scientist used 24 hundredths milliliter of solution for an experiment and 20 hundredths milliliter of solution for a different experiment. How much solution did he use for the two experiments? Now here we have to add the two amounts or to combine the two amounts of solutions to solve this problem. Let us see. Now we will add the two amounts, 24 hundredths, and this is how to represent 24 hundredths in the hundredths model. The other amount is 2 tenths, and this is how to represent 2 tenths using 10 model. Now here in this number we have 2 digits, but in this number we have 1 digit. In this case we have to add 0 to complete the digits, so the number will be 20 hundredths, and so each 110 we divided the 110 into 10 hundredths, so here 10 and here 10, 20 hundredths. Now I will combine the two amounts to be 44 hundredths. Now again we want to add these two numbers, 72 hundredths plus 2 tenths. Basically the first step is to add decimals is to line up the decimals. That means to line up the places. So this is the first number and this is the second number. Now the second step is to place the decimal point in the sum. That means the first step is to place the decimal point in the sum. Now start adding. Okay, before that, step 3, add zeros if necessary. Here we have two steps or 2 digits, sorry, but here we have just 1 digit, so I will add 0 to be the same number of digits. Add as usual. Now of course we have to start adding from the ones place, so 2 plus 0 equals 2, 7 plus 2 equals 9, and then 0 plus 0 equals 0. So the sum is 92 hundredths. We'll take another example. 2 and 47 hundredths plus 3 and 327 thousandths. Again, the first step is to line up the decimals, means line up the places under each other. Now the first number is 2 and 47 hundredths plus 3 and 327. Second step is to place the decimal point in the sum. Third step is to add zeros if necessary. Yes, we need to add 0 here to annex 0, because here we have 2 decimal digits, here we have 3 decimal digits, so I will add 1 0. Now I will start adding. Of course, as we said before, we have to start adding from the right. So 0 plus 7 equals 7, 7 plus 2 equals 9, 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the sum is 5 and 797 thousandths. Okay, another example, and this is the last example. 4 and 578 thousandths plus 27 and 3 tenths. The first step, line up the decimals under each other. Second step is to place the decimal point in the sum before you start adding. The third step is to add zeros if necessary. I will annex 2 zeros here because here I have 3 decimal digits and here there is just 1, so I need to annex 2 zeros. Again, I will start adding from the right. So 8 plus 0 equals 8, 7 plus 0 equals 7, 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 4 plus 7 equals 11. So I will put 1 under the ones place and regroup the other one above the next digit. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 31 and 878,000. This is everything for today. Thank you for listening.